Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today in this video, we'll see how you can open on-screen keyboard on your Windows 10 and Windows 11 laptop. First, I'll show you with the Windows 11 laptop. Later, I'll tell you how you can open this on-screen keyboard on Windows 10 also. First, we'll see by the options and the navigation. Later, I'll tell you what is the shortcut key for this on-screen keyboard. Both will be same for Windows 10 and Windows 11. Shortcut key will be similar. On Windows 11, click on this Windows logo, then click on settings here, and here under settings there will be an option called accessibility. At the left side you will see something like accessibility. You need to click on this and see here under keyboard section. Yes, this see here on screen keyboard. If it is disabled, just enable it. As soon as you enable this, it will pop up. So when you close this, it automatically gets closed. And there is a shortcut you see here, Windows logo key with the combination of control key with the combination of letter O. So I'll try to do the same. I'm just pressing Windows control plus O. See here, with the shortcut also it got open, and this is the shortcut window key plus control key plus O in the Windows 10 laptop or computer. Try it on your Windows 10 also. And coming to the Windows 10 in the navigation section, because sometimes keyboard may not work, so in that case, means if the shortcut won't work for you, this is the navigation on the Windows 10 also. Click on this Windows logo key, then you will find the settings in ease of access, then click on keyboard, then click on screen keyboard. If not, directly on the search, just search as on screen keyboard. So this will work on the Windows 10 and the Windows 11 laptop. If nothing works, you can just use the search, and that will directly lead to the this option. See here, that will enable the option. I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.